From a whole nother planet. Ice on my dick dancing.
Hello everybody, I'm back with another video. I'm sorry I've been gone so long, but your girl needed her time. But anyways, as y'all can see, the first thing I do is take some edges out because I find doing it this way makes it a lot easier for me. So my hair was looking rusty and crusty, so what I did was spray it down with some water so I can brush it out. And I just brush it with just the water, no product yet, just so I can get a foundation before I put any type of gel on it. So this is basically like a little tedious process because the whole time you just gonna be brushing and slicking and brushing and slicking, you know what I mean? So once I feel like my hair looks great and sleek already, I put some Wetline Extreme Gel on the perimeter of my hair. So boom, let me give y'all some back action to show y'all what the back look like because we need the back to be just as perfect as the front. You feel me? Okay. Once I feel no bumps, I put my rubber band on and I loop it 3 times. And yes, I'm using the rubber band because I just like them, but you can use, you know, the other things, the scrunchies and stuff. They're cool too. I just personally like rubber bands because they make my hair sleeker to me. So yes, girl, let's get into these edges. First, I just put a little bit of gel on them because yeah, I just do it like that because it makes my edges last longer, and I just brush them out like so. And I'm going to be using the Kaleidoscope Sleek Edges. I really like this edge control because I feel like it's very moisturizing and it doesn't just dry your hair out and make it so flaky. Alright, so boom, I put the little edge control and I just start swooping it because we need to make that swoop look good. We don't want it too small and we don't want it too big. We want that swoop to be perfect, so doing your edges is very tedious. If you have to go over it and over it again, that's okay because baby, we're going to get to where we need to get to. Period. Period. But yeah, y'all, just sleek them little edges down or them big edges, whatever. So yeah, we just gonna keep swooping. And then me, you know, I'm extra, so yeah, we just gonna do it how I do it. You know, if your edge is not popping, then are you really popping? I'm just kidding, y'all. Don't have to use it like your edges, but you know me, I like my edges done because I feel like it just makes the hairstyle. So then this is my little favorite little thing right here. You just want to swoop it the opposite way and make a little curl like so. And then to put it down, you want to add a little bit of gel and press it down with your finger like I did right there. Okay, so yeah, now our edges are done. Now we can get into the bun. We love the bun. Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. Okay, so this is probably one of my favorite and the most easiest bun because all you do is wrap the hair around each other like so. So quick, so simple. 2 seconds, boom, out the door. Yes, ma'am. And let me show y'all the back because, girl, 360 sleekness. I tell you. And then I'm just going to be doing a couple of other buns y'all can do if y'all didn't want to do that first one. I also love this one because it makes my hair look really big and full. It makes me look cute. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh my gosh, that's my word. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. A lot of people do this bun technique. I like it, but personally I feel like it looked like the first bun I did, so it was no real big difference. But it's cute and it was kind of easy. But it was, like I said, the first bun and this bun was kind of the same. Well, it looked the same to me. Alright, then we got this bun. We're gonna twist the hair around each other, and this bun came out to be an awkward shape, but girl, I like it. I love it. You know me, I love to look different because I'm different. Then we got the little basic ballerina bun. You just wrap the hair around each other and then boom, that's it. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. I have another one coming probably tomorrow. We'll see. So yes, I love you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all learned something. Have a wonderful day.
Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. Percocets, Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you next, Ariana.